Hey, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing here in Sanford, Florida. Actually at a really old house that was built in 1926. One of the difficulties about something like this is you can see there's a lot of tree coverage. We were just talking to the owner. There's an oak tree here, that's sitting over the house with big branches, and it's beautiful. It's over 100 years old. It's left a lot of debris, a lot of leaves, so it makes it hard to sometimes walk across a roof and get all the measurements. You can get some of them, but it's hard to get all the measurements you need. So we utilize some different software. The satellite software from above, it makes it really hard because it's got total tree coverage. So we're taking some pictures all around the house, and we use a different software that allows us to get the roof squares actually just from taking pictures surrounding the house. But what we're going to do is we're going to look at giving this homeowner a quote for a metal roof as well as a shingle roof. So we'll give them the option to make a decision on what works best for them. But this would be a great house to put a metal roof on. With all the debris and everything they get, it builds up a lot. So a metal roof would definitely last a lot longer. Some of the challenges that I've talked about on this particular roof, you can see it's got this big amazing oak tree over 100 years old. Makes it really hard to walk on. It's just the leaves, and whether it's pine needles and all that stuff, it just makes it really slippery to walk on. In this case, I'm using, it's a GAF 360, which, since it's hard to get the satellite image because of the big tree, I'm using one where it allows me to take pictures all around the house and it creates a 3D image so I can get all the roof squares. So now I've submitted it, and I'm going to get the roof squares back in a report here shortly, and then I'll put together a proposal for the homeowner and I'll review it with them. So this is Matt here in Sanford, Florida with XLR8 Roofing, finishing off another roof inspection. See you on the next one.